Today I'm going to teach you how to play position with just a follow shot, the easiest shot in pool. Today we're going to go through some practice routines on learning how to control the cue ball with just a follow shot. What I mean by that is we're going to hit the cue ball 1 to 1.5 tips high above center. And we're going to see the reactions, or I should say the different reactions of what the cue ball does in regards to where we get positioned on the table. So let's start off with just high center, medium to soft speed. And you can see where the cue ball rolls out onto the table. All right, now let's go. It's the same shot. Cue ball and object ball are in the same exact position, and we're going to go high left. Now you can see how much further down the cue ball travels on the table. Again, that one was with high left. All right, now let's try the same shot with high right. Now you see, with high right, the cue ball stayed on the back end of the table. If I just went high center, my cue ball, was able to control it to the center of the table, and high left brought me all the way down to the other end of the table. This is crucial to know because obviously you want to know where to bring that cue ball for your next shot. All right, let's set that shot up again and go high left. I want to control my cue ball to the far end of the table so I have a real easy shot on that one ball down there. I have a great shot on that one ball. So again, depending on where you hit the cue ball, and it was just a follow shot, whether it be high center, high left, high right. If you practice this particular setup, you'll figure out exactly where that cue ball is going to wind up on the table. And you're going to encounter these shots in various games. So it's great to know how to control that cue ball to get it closer to your next object ball. All right, now here we are, the exact same setup, my cue ball and my 11 ball, the stripe ball. Now I want to play position for the one ball in this side pocket. So I'm going to try high right. Comes 2 rails, and I basically got a straight in shot on the one ball. Again, yes, very simple. I could have just laid it up, something along this line. That's a real easy shot also. You just got to have a good touch to make sure you don't scratch in that far corner pocket. All right, let's take this shot with high center. Now basically, it followed the tangent line, and it was just a straight line. The tangent line is that angle straight off of your object ball. The cue ball would naturally follow that when you hit it center. All right, let's take this shot with high left and see what it does. All right, now that went 2 rails. Sunk my object ball, went to the short rail, back to the long rail, came all the way out to the other end of the table. And this shot's going to be with high right. So there again, you can see the differences in where that cue ball winds up on the table. Now to get positioned on this one ball, I'm going to try high right. And that brings my cue ball towards the center of the table, and now I have a very easy shot on that one ball. All right, now to practice this shot, this is a great drill. All right, I have that identical shot set up, cue ball and object ball, same position. I happen to have this target from Bullseye Billiards. You could use a piece of paper, you could go to the fabric store, buy a piece of cloth. So I want to see how close as I can get to my target. All right, not bad. Put me on the green, put me in my general vicinity. So that's basically my shape zone. Anywhere within this region, I'm imagining that I'm shooting for my next object ball. But again, to be able to control the cue ball to a specific area on the table is crucial. So practice this drill. Practice numerous times. You know, I practice each one for 15 to 20 minutes, and it just becomes natural. Eventually, you'll get it to where you don't even think about it. And on this shot, we're going to go high left. All right, and that brought me on the green. And that's the area that I was shooting for, so that's my shape zone. Anywhere within this region. And the better that you get at it, the closer you'll be able to bring it to the black bullseye. So again, remember, please practice. This is a great, great way to learn how to control the cue ball with just a follow shot.